We'll guide you through how to make picture black and white Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because black and white editing is simple yet visually powerful for photos. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀.com. Press enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. Next, click Open Image and import your photo from your device. Wait until it fully loads in the workspace before continuing. After that, go to the top menu and select Adjust, then click Black and White and apply the effect to convert your image. The image becomes grayscale immediately. For more control over the result, go to Adjustment and choose Hue and Saturation. Then lower saturation to -100 and click Apply. To refine the look, adjust brightness by going to Adjustment and choosing Brightness and Contrast. Increase contrast for a stronger look and adjust brightness if the image appears too dark. As an optional method, you can go to Filter, then click Effect Library and select B and W, then apply the effect again. If you want a stronger effect, duplicate the layer and lower the opacity if needed to avoid overexposure. Continue by comparing the before and after versions of your image to evaluate the changes. Zoom in to check details and make small adjustments where necessary. Carefully balance light and dark areas so the image looks natural and clear. Once you are satisfied with the final result, click File and then click Save. Choose your preferred format for the output file, making sure it fits your needs. Finally, save the image to your device and review it to confirm that all adjustments have been applied correctly and the overall quality meets your expectations. Take your time reviewing edges, textures, and shadows to ensure nothing important is lost during the conversion process. If certain areas appear too flat, return to the adjustment tools and slightly tweak contrast or brightness again until depth is restored. Keep your edits subtle to maintain a clean and professional appearance.